How to delete your Hinge account. If you are done using the Hinge platform and you'd like to get rid of your profile and other information, or in a nutshell, delete your Hinge account, then open up your Hinge application. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. After you are, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right hand corner. From the page, tap on Settings. Scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see a button that says Delete or Pause Account. Tap on it and then answer some of the questions. Select why you are leaving the Hinge platform. You can select any other option displayed on the screen. Here you have two options. Instead of deleting your account, you also have an option to pause your account. If you want to pause your account, then you can keep your account being hidden and you can still chat with your current matches. But if you want to delete the service altogether, then you can tap on the delete account button. Confirm deletion by tapping this confirm delete button, and also remember that deleting your account will permanently erase conversations with your connection as well. After you are sure you want to delete, tap on confirm delete button and wait for a few seconds. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete your Hinge dating account right away with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with another quick tutorial video again. Goodbye till then.